A new study says when the weather heats up, things in the bedroom tend to cool down. I'm Montalbano for Buzz60, and if dying polar bears didn't get you to pay attention to climate change, maybe this will. A study published in the National Bureau of Economic Research looked at the effects temperature shocks had on birth rates in the US between 1931 and 2010. It found a steep decline in birth rates 8 to 10 months after days where the temperature went above 80 degrees. Did we really need research to tell us there's nothing sexy about sweating from just sitting still? While researchers noticed a partial rebound in birth rates during the fall months, it wasn't a full rebound, which leads them to the conclusion that as temperatures rise due to climate change, we'll see a decrease in population growth. This means as the planet keeps getting hotter, people are going to be having less sex. But don't panic, researchers did offer a solution to the problem: air conditioning, which will help the birth rate problem, but will add to the climate change problem. It's clear where their priorities are. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.